You better do what the cops tell you to do, even if you're inside your own home.
Why are you not coming out? Because we don't live in a police state, sir. Martial law has not been established in this country. Okay, can you do us a favor? All get down on your ground, get down on the ground, and put your hands behind your back, because we're going to kick the door.